Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the LG dishwasher AE error in 2026. So this AE error is triggered when the dishwasher senses water where it should not be. It usually happens due to internal leakage or overflow from the foam or loose hose connection. So for safety purposes, first of all, you need to turn off the power and the water supply immediately. This prevents further leakage while you inspect. Now you need to carefully tilt the unit slightly forward. If water drains out from the bottom, that confirms that the leak sensor here was triggered by controlled water. So you need to simply dry the base area before restarting it. Now using too much detergent can also create excess foam. So foam can then overflow into the base pan and then trigger the AE error. So you need to run a rinse cycle without detergent after cleaning. Then also check for the rubber door seal. If that is damaged or dirty, the water can leak out during the wash cycle. So in this case, you can either replace it, or if it works with cleaning, you can also clean it. Now you can inspect inside for loose spray arms or cracks or leaks. The improper water spray can then cause the splashing or leakage. So you can keep these things in mind and you can check for these things, and then you can fix the AE error. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.